All right, so I'm out here just cleaning out my truck, and I was just thinking. That's a good time to think, you know, when you're just cleaning up. But I remember when I first started, well, I got interested in HVAC. I used to watch a whole bunch of YouTube videos, and there wasn't too many content creators. Maybe about a handful of content creators as far as creating content on YouTube, as far as HVAC. And you had to kind of go whatever they was telling you. You know what I'm saying? You know, you didn't know any better. But the good thing about it, they was sharing information, because sometimes you get on some of these job sites and your coworkers don't want to share too much information, because of course they don't want you to know more than what they know. Because if you overtake them, you may get better pay, or whatever the case may be, or they may feel threatened. But I'm a content creator myself. I started creating YouTube HVAC videos maybe 2016, 2017. So, and that's going about 10 years now, right? But what's happening is, what I noticed, because I share pretty much anything, because I don't feel threatened. You know what I'm saying? I don't compete, I create. See, what's happening is more content creators like myself. It's a whole wealth of knowledge on YouTube, and I'm sure this across all industries. Now, people, employees, and HVAC technicians, they can go on YouTube and get information. We don't have to be stronghold by the elders or the master technicians. So us green technicians, we can just type in YouTube. You can learn anything you want, you know what I'm saying? So they can withhold all the information that they want. So if you're a new technician, you think about getting the HVAC and you want real world troubleshooting, consider going to my YouTube channel, because it's probably going to be a YouTube short. Go to my actual long form videos and hit that subscribe button, and just go back to my journey. You can learn a lot. Way back in 2016, 2017, you follow along the way, I guarantee you, you'll be a better technician. But not only that, I don't consider myself one of the greatest teachers. People say that I am a pretty good teacher. I just like to kind of teach as far as experience and stuff like that. But I can only take you so far. You gotta dig deeper for knowledge, because that's what I did. I would watch some YouTube creators. I would take this from my coworker, take this, take that. But I wouldn't just wait on somebody to tell me what to do or what I should learn. I would dig deeper myself. So that's what I recommend you doing also. Dig deeper. Get the books, get the YouTube videos, whatever's best for your, however you learn. Whatever way you learn, that's how, you know, take the information that people give you, but dig a little deeper, you know what I'm saying, to try to find the knowledge. Like I say, read the books, many videos, just overdose yourself with the HVAC knowledge. I always tell people, this ain't just no regular 9 to 5. You want to be a great technician, you have to go the extra mile. You got to do more than what the next person doing. That's why I call it 24/7, 365, if you want to be a great HVAC technician. Now, true enough, you can be good and get by, because the HVAC industry is in need of technicians anyway. So if you just want to be a filter changer, you know, maintenance, or do basic troubleshooting calls, you know what I'm saying, we need you too. But if you want to go to that next level, you got to engulf yourself 365, 24/7. All right, HVAC people.